I'll go on, Maureen. What you say? Alright, cool. I'm ready for pick up. Alright, may I arrange that? Yeah, man. See you in about 15 minutes. Cool. Yo, babe. I pick up 2 guests and forward.
Alright, baby.
Yeah, man.
May I go shower?
Alright. Seatbelt down.
I believe in your soul. I know we need each other. I know
Alright.
our love is strong.
Yeah, man.
We're still riding down this road. Ooh,
Good,
my
man.
love.
Want to see
I
it, you know?
can feel it.
So reach, you know? Yeah,
This is real. I hear your voice too close. Oh, this feeling grows while I'm feeling up this void. Far away, far beyond the limits. Every day, finding our soul. Anyway, it feels like coming home. Coming home, coming home. Coming home, coming home. It feels like coming home. Far away, far beyond the limits. Every day, it feels like coming home.
Hello.
Hello. Welcome to Caldo Tours. This way. How was the travel? Why was the journey long?
So because the distance right here was new to me, so it's the same one.
Oh, okay. By the way, I'm Camille.
Hi,
You
Camille.
You are?
I'm Tonian.
And I'm Kareem.
Okay. So I'll be taking care of you guys for the next 2 days.
Awesome.
Okay, Tony and Kareem, let me give you an official welcome to Caldo Tours. Okay? So Caldo Tours is based in a farming village called Yuatan. As you can see, the rooms they are named after Caribbean islands. That's Curacao, Bonaire, we have Barbados, and just to name another one, Aruba, and that's the one we'll be staying in.
Aruba.
Yes.
Nice.
Tony and water. I can't water right now. Yes.
You're excited.
Push to the room first. You're just excited.
I like him already. I like him already.
Cheers and then
So welcome to your room.
Wow.
Yes, as you can see, you have AC because the time is very hot. Mini fridge. you have a stove that you can use if you want to do anything there. And guess what? The food is straight from the farm to your plate.
That you want to hear, I hear part too. I hear part.
Right. So if you want to sit and just have a little time, you can do that. There is a cupboard as well, and you can look through the window and see a mini garden, like a farm garden.
Nice, comfy. Oh, nice.
Yes.
We can go over there?
No.
Okay. No, listen. Some water food up over there, some good food shit. Nice.
I like that.
I love the place though. Thanks a lot for accommodating us.
You are welcome.
Thank you.
You are welcome. So let me give you your key.
Watch out, shut up, man.
Yes. Woman power.
Alright.
So guys, this is the sitting area, and here we have a games table. So if you want to play domino, card, whatever it is, you can play it there.
Okay.
So you can sit here or lay here, use a pool. Yeah, and I'm just a phone call away.
Okay,
Alright.
thank you.
Nice. Thanks a lot.
Yes, so I'll leave you guys to it now. And thank you for coming again.
You're welcome.
So babe, what we are going to do first? We have so much activity to do. What you say?
First, you have a shower and then lie down a little bit, and then you can know where you want to.
Alright. You sure lie down, you want to lie down?
Come. Dear,
Yes.
I have something I want to tell you.
Yeah, we can talk. Sure. Babes, we never know that place really exists, you know. All she talk is that very food yet. Me have to pick one or two. I swear. Yeah. But we need to hurry up and babe, because remember say yesterday we were at the pool, alright? So we need to get ready and start what we say. Remember, let's
Alright.
go.
We talk later.